Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'll be teaching you two methods to share the internet from your Galaxy A16. The first method is for sharing the Wi-Fi connection you're connected to, and the second method is for sharing the internet from your SIM card, from your mobile carrier. So first, you'll go into the settings icon, then tap on connections, and now you should tap where it says Wi-Fi. Tap here, and then on the right side, tap the settings gear next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Go ahead and tap it. Now, tap on this eye icon you see here. If your phone has a password, it will ask for it. Just enter your password, and then you'll be able to see the password for the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. So you can share the Wi-Fi password with someone else, or you can tap here on the QR code, and your friend can scan this code to connect to this Wi-Fi network. We can also go back, and here we have the Wi-Fi option again. Scroll down until you find this option. Click here, and then tap on Mobile Hotspot, which is the first option. Here, you will simply tap this particular option to easily change the specific name of the wireless network that you truly want to share. I had a different name before because of other videos I was making for the channel. Now, for example, I'll put my name here, and here in the password field, you can set whatever password you want. Your password must have at least 8 characters. Then click the button to save. Now, you need to turn on this option to enable internet sharing from your SIM card from your mobile carrier. You should tap here to turn off your phone's Wi-Fi, because here we're sharing the internet from your mobile carrier. So here, your friend or the person you're going to share your SIM card's internet with should look for this network name you set here and enter the password you created so they can connect. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.